If you have a drawer full of empty lighters like we do, you know how annoying it is to keep buying new ones for candles, the barbecue, or the fire pit. I found it surprisingly hard to find butane refill cans in my area, but I can always find the butane cassette canisters at the local grocery store. It lets you refill those empty lighters using the bulk barbecue canisters that you probably already have in the pantry. It's made with a solid brass connector and a metal grip, so it feels much more secure than those cheap plastic versions. The setup is simple and requires zero tools. It fits most modern lighters, and I've used it on everything from name brand Bics to the cheap dollar store ones. Just keep in mind it won't work on those strictly disposable lighters that don't have a refill inlet at the bottom. One thing to watch for, this is specifically designed for canisters with the short nozzle. It won't fit camping stoves because the locking mechanism is different, but for lighters it's perfect. It's small enough to fit in your pocket, making it a great convenient tool to keep with your camping gear or in the kitchen drawer, and a great way to reuse what you have and keep the house running smoothly.